Okay, class 12. Today we will continue exercise 7.3. So, in last class we did question number 13 and 14. Now today we start from question number 15. So, question number 15 is tan cube 2x into sec 2x. Now, first we have to make it into standard form. So, this equals to, in solution, this is the solution of question number 15. Now, break it into two parts. Tan cube x, it is tan square 2x into tan 2x into sec 2x. Now put the formula, trigonometric identity of tan square x. What is the identity of tan square x? It is sec square x minus 1. So this will be sec square 2x minus 1 into tan 2x into sec 2x. Now multiply tan 2x into sec 2x into this is sec square 2x into tan 2x into sec 2x minus this into this is tan 2x into sec 2x. Therefore, integration of tan cube 2x sec 2x dx equals to integration of sec square 2x into tan 2x into sec 2x dx minus integration of tan 2x into sec 2x dx. Now we will take sec 2x equals to t because the differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x. Let sec 2x equals to t. What is the differentiation of sec x? It is sec x tan x. Sec 2x tan 2x. Now again we have to differentiate this into 2 dx by dt equals to differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. So this equals to 2 sec 2x into tan 2x dx equals to dt sec 2x tan 2x dx equals to dt by 2. So therefore integration of tan cube 2x into sec 2x dx equals to integration here, this is sec square 2x, sec 2x is t, so e square 2x is t square. Now sec x tan x, sec x tan x, sec x tan x dx is dt by 2, it is dt by 2 minus what is the integration of sec x tan x? It is tan x sec x. What is the integration of sec x tan x? It is sec x, x is 2x divided by 2 plus c. So this equals to, now what is the integration of t square? We can take 1 by 2 outside. Integration of t square is t cube by 3 plus minus sec 2x divided by 2 plus c. So this equals to 1 by 6. What is t? T is sec 2x. So we can write sec cube 2x minus sec 2x divided by 2 plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 15. Now move to question number 60. Question number 6 is 10 to the power 4x So 10 to the power 4x, first we have to make it into standard form. So break it into two parts. 10 to the power 4x is 10 square x into 10 square x is 10 to the power 4x. Now put the formula. It is sec square x minus 1 into 10 square x. Now this equals to multiply sec square x into 10 square x minus this is 10 square x after multiplying. So this equals to sec square x into 10 square x minus, now again we have to put the formula. It is sec square x minus 1. So this equals to sec square x into 10 square x minus, it is sec square x minus the minus is plus 1. Therefore integration of 10 to the power 4x dx is equals to, now integrate sec square x into 10 square x dx minus integration of sec square x dx plus integration of 1 dx or only dx. So here we will put this because now substituent is 10x, because the differentiation of 10x is sec square x. Differentiation of 10x is sec square x. So let 10x equals to t. It is sec square x dx equals to dt after multiplying with 1. So therefore integration of 10 to the power 4x dx equals to integration, now sec square x dx is dt, now this is t square dt minus, what is the integration of sec square x? It is 10x plus, what is the integration of dx? It is x plus c. So t square is, t square, integration of t square is t cube by 3 minus 10x plus x plus c. So what is the value of t? So t is 10x. It is 10 cube x divided by 3 minus 10x plus x plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 16. Now move to question number 17. Okay, question number 17 is sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x cos square x. Now first we have to make it into standard form. Sin cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x. Plus cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x. Now 2 sin cancel, 1 sin is left. First 1 by cos is sec x. Now sin by cos, there are 2 cos. So first 1 by cos is sec x, now sin by cos is 10x. Plus, now 2 cos cancel, 1 cos is left. 1 by sin is cosec x. Cos by sin is cot x. Therefore, integration of sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x cos square x dx equals to, now integrate it, integration sec x 10x dx plus integration of cosec x cot x dx. So this equals to, what is the integration of sec x 10x? It is sec x minus integration of cosec x cot x is minus cosec x plus c. This is the answer of question number 17. Okay, this one for today. Thank you.